It's grown a bit since we've been away. Last month has been constant rain in St. Petersburg, and here in Novgorod it's been the same. And you can see we've still got a lot of water laying. I was hoping this would all be dried up and it would be sunny weather now, but it's still a lot of water laying. But that's only one part. The important bits are not wet. So around here we've got some water here. Over here it's dry, and on the foundation we're all dry. There's a little bit here, and a little bit here. Nothing serious. Nothing I can't work with. Oh, a little bit there as well, back. So yeah, that's just one of them things we have to work through. But other than that, it's okay. It's going to be supposed to be sunny now for the next 3 days, so I've got 3 days to everything's in blossom and beautiful, everything's cool. There's quite a bit of water in the middle here actually, I didn't notice that, so that's okay. It's not going to stop work. As you can see, we're way overgrown here. Because I'm on limited time, it's 50-50 whether I actually cut this down or not, and I'm thinking probably I won't. And the reason is because when we had this land cleared twice, it left clay, and you can see it here, and eventually we want to get some soil fetched in and put a layer of soil on it so things will grow better. But clay, when it's been cleared like this and it's wet, even a slight drizzle of rain, and it's awful to work with. It's absolutely horrible to walk on. It's terrible stuff. And so I was thinking, just leave this to grow here. Just leave it to grow wild a bit, and it's something better to walk on than plain clay. It's still trying to rain now, but it'll be a bit better. So keep getting eaten by mosquitoes, but the timber's all good. That's come undone a bit, but nothing too drastic. Nothing's too drastic here. It's all very good. Nothing's turned black. That's the main important thing. This stuff here is very dry. Nothing's gone black. It's all good. It's all worked out very well. We'll open it up tomorrow. It's supposed to be sunny for the next 3 days, so we'll open it up tomorrow and get maximum sun. But I had a quick look here on the meter, and as you can see, we're in the centre of